Good morning, class. I'm Miss Macy.
And I'm Miss Brianna.
Today we're going to be learning about grouping different objects. So to start off, Brianna has two different objects in her hands. Could I have a volunteer to help me? Bobby, could you tell me the two objects that she has?
Fire and ice.
Good job. So what's the difference between the two?
One's hot and one's cold.
Good job. So we have a cold group and a hot group, right? Well, maybe we should add more things to the group. So what's another thing you could add with the fire?
Soup.
Good job. And what about the ice?
Popsicles.
Very good.
Now we're going to do another activity where you're going to tell me what these things have in common. We have a blue retainer, a blue highlighter, a blue pencil, a blue pen, and blue scissors. What do those things have in common?
They're all blue.
Very good, Bobby. Now,
We have another group. I want you to name them with me as I take them out of the box, okay?
A plum, a banana, an apple, an orange, and a lemon.
Good job. Now, how would you categorize these?
Something you can eat.
be more specific.
Good job.
Fruit.
Good
Very
job.
good.
Okay, now we're going to switch it up just a little bit, okay? Not to trick you, but we know you can do it.
We have a book, a pencil, a crayon, a pen, a highlighter, and a marker. Which of those don't belong in that category?
The book.
Good job. Why doesn't that belong?
Because you can't write with them.
Very good. Okay. Now Miss Brianna is going to help you and set up the next activity for you. What everybody has, they're going to have two different objects on their tray, okay? I want you to categorize each and put one set of objects in one group and another set in the other group. Then I want you to raise your hand when you're done. We'll give you a few minutes. Okay, you're doing good, but let's look at these more carefully. Okay, what is this?
A CD.
Good job. And what's this?
A book.
Okay, now they're not the same thing, right? No, they're two different things. So we're going to put them in two different piles. We have the books and the DVDs. So go ahead and try it again. Once again, just raise your hand and please sit quietly when you're done. Okay, is everybody done?
How many CDs do you have there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And how many books do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's good because you started out with 9 objects and you separated them into 2. This group is the what group?
The CD group.
And this group is the...
The book group.
Very good, Bobby.
So everybody should have two separate groups, the CDs and the books. Okay, now for our last activity, we are going to be learning about context clues. I know that word might be a little bit hard for everybody to understand, but I'm going to simplify it for you. If I have a sentence that says, I am an animal and I have a long neck, what animal am I?
A giraffe.
Very good. Please raise your hand next time. That was very good. I am a giraffe. How did you know that the giraffe was the answer? Go ahead.
An animal and a long neck.
Very good. So your two context clues are animal and long neck. Now Miss Brianna is going to help you guys, and you're going to go through a couple examples with using context clues.
The first one, I'm a place where you can borrow a book. Bobby?
A library.
Very good. What made you think number 1 was a library?
Place and book.
Very good. Number 2, I'm a drink that comes from a cow.
Milk.
Make sure you raise your hand next time, but that is right. What context clues made you think that this was milk? Yes, Bobby?
Drink and cow.
Very good. Number 3, I'm a person that puts out fires. Bobby?
Firefighter.
Very good. What made you think number 3 was a firefighter?
A person in fire.
Very good. And the last one, I'm something you look at to see yourself. Bobby?
A mirror.
Very good. What made you think that number 4 was a mirror?
Something in yourself.
Yourself is a context clue, but something is not. Do you want to try again?
You and yourself.
No. How about one more try?
Look and
Very
yourself.
good. Because look is a context clue.
Okay, so I'm very proud of everybody. You did so great today working in your groups, grouping all of your objects. So just to review, throughout the world there's plenty of grouping of objects. There's maybe animals, and what we did today with books, CDs, fruits, it's endless. Also, we learned about context clues today. So we're going to go over remember, one more time, I'm going to give you a sentence to challenge you. And I want you to tell me what the answer is and how you got it with the 2 context clues. I am a thing that hangs on the wall and shows what time it is. Bobby.
A clock.
Good job. How did you know it was a clock?
It tells time and it's on the wall.
Very good. Class, I'm so proud of you. I want you to go home and practice all of this stuff. You can find objects all through your house. Okay? So have a good day and I'll see you tomorrow.